Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Puspa Anggraini with NIM 17096200076 from Office Administration Education with Supervisor Lecture Saroni Fasa and Nadia Fadila. So let me start my presentation about my thesis with title Development of a Canva-based interactive ebook on Class 12 PDKS Finance Material at SMKN 14 Jakarta. So this is for the chapter 1 introduction. The point number 1, education has a very useful role in advancing the characteristic of each society in a country. So for the point number 2, the progress of education in Indonesia certainly cannot be separated from the technological development that accompany it. For the point number 3, the development of technology requires teachers to be more abreast of development in providing lesson material, one of which is through ebook. For point number 4, Ranko 2022 said that the important role of the ebook today is in improving student learning outcome. For the point number 5, EDI analysis, design, develop, implement, and evaluate is the model used to develop the creation of this ebook. For the point number 6 is the limitation of previous research by Anita 2021 was that it only developed non-interactive ebooks, so researchers could not measure student abilities. So this is about the research question. For the one, how is the development of Canva-based interactive ebook teaching material at SMK 14 Jakarta? Number 2, what is the feasibility of Canva-based interactive ebook teaching material product? For point number 3, what is the practicality of Canva-based interactive ebook teaching material product? This is about researchers' purpose. Number 1, understood the development of Canva-based interactive ebook teaching material. For point number 2, understood the feasibility of Canva-based interactive ebook. For point number 3, understood the practicality of Canva-based interactive ebook teaching material product. This is chapter 2 about literature review. For the literature review number 1, development of teaching material that can be separated from the learning definition and teaching material definition. The development of teaching material is guided by the Authority of Teaching Materials, Setaringan 2018. Learning definition is a change in behavior of behavior in itself, said Henry 2018. Teaching material definition are a collection of material created with the aim of learning and achieving instructional goals, said Ina 2020. So for the literature review number 2, instructional media. Learning media is a process or means that can be used as a way to provide teaching to students and can run well, said Nurita 2018. That can be separated into instructional media function. The use of media in a learning process can certainly increase effectiveness in the students' teaching and learning process, said Mifta 2018. An instructional media classification, learning media can be divided into several types of class, and this depends on the view of the person who sees it, said Satyosari 2019. And next, Canva-based interactive ebook. Ebook or electronic book is basically a book based on the latest technology which has been prepared, taking into account current development segment this 2018 that can be separated into interactive ebook. Ebook are a collection of media that aim to achieve a learning target that has been previously planned and target in order to achieve learning objectives that have been formulated clearly and in detail, said Sanjaya 2021. So next, Canva program. Canva can be defined as a place to develop creativity for our classes, said Rizanta and Arsanti, 2022. So this is chapter 2 about relevant research. For the reference from Kalista 2022 with title Research Development of Digital Poster Media Using of the Canva application as a learning supplement for class 12 class 7 solar system material in SMK. The difference is research using the R&D, research and development, but using 4D model method, define, design, development, and disseminate. So for next, Atika 2022, develop of descriptive text learning media using the Canva application for class 7 middle student, research using the R&D, research and development method, but using DDE model, decide, design, develop, and evaluate model. So next, Rangko 2021, with title Research Development of Canva-based interactive ebook to interactive media to increase student interest in learning Term 2, Subterm 1, Class 5, SDN 14 Mataram, with different research on using the R&D research and development method development by Borg and Gall, and has several stages of creation such as potential and problem, data collection, product design, design validation, design revision, product trial, product revision, research trial, product revision, and mass production. So this is about chapter 3 research methodology for time and process of research. It was take January until March 2024 at SMK 14 Jakarta. For the population and sample, population of student are 256 people, and for the sample is 30 student of 12 class. OTKP. For the research design, Canva-based interactive ebook development using the R&D method and using the ADDE model. So for the data collection technique, survey via questionnaire using a Likert scale as a measurement. So next, for the data analysis technique, for the expert validation test, validation test measurement formula, delta score per item per score maksimal kali 100. If the ebook can reflect the spirit of knowledge, we said that the component of the product must be consistent with each other, then the teaching material can be said to be valid. So for the practicality test measurement formula, delta score per item per score maksimal kali 100. If ebook can be used easily by student, then the teaching material can be said to be practical. So this is about chapter 4, result and discussion. For the point number 1, analysis, it will 3 steps. For the step number 1, search for previous literature or journal. Research aim to find out information or an overview of the development of an electronic-based book or ebook at the vocational high level. First, previous journal regarding development of a Canva-based product will collect and research regarding the information contained. So for the step number 2, problem and characteristics of student, the problem that experienced by class 12 OTKP student at SMK 14 Jakarta about the absent or print textbook regarding subject can certainly hinder student learning process. It is hoped that the creation of interactive ebook Canva can help improve learning system at SMK 14 Jakarta. So for the step number 3, pre-research observation, the final analysis step was to carry out an observation process at a small scale that it will take 15 students in class. So for the design, making text manuscript, making the ebook manuscript text need to be designed regarding the structure and what needs to be included in the ebook. For point number 2, creating material text and practice question, the preparation of the content of the text material displayed in the ebook refers to several sources, namely the teacher print textbook, previous journal, literature, and previous ebook available on the internet. So for the step number 3, taking learning pictures and media. The image were taken from the internet and also the Pinterest and image application, the same as the ebook background. Some of which were taken from internet search. Meanwhile, the print background is a feature element that can be utilized in the Canva application. Then the learning video display in the ebook are searched from YouTube. So this is about the development, making learning media. This is my cover view. This is my ebook content display. This is my table of content view, and this is my learning video display. So this is chapter 4, result and discussion, development material expert validation result. Based on the conclusion above, the material validation test result obtained a score for 93.3, which is included in the very visible category. This can be concluded if the material in the ebook is suitable for testing on students. This is media expert. Based on the calculation above, the media validation test result obtained a score of 86.6, which is included in the very visible category. This can be concluded if the media in the ebook is suitable for testing on students. And this is for learning design expert. Based on the calculation above, the result of the learning design validation test obtained a score for 98.3, which is included in the very visible category. This can be concluded if the learning design in the ebook is worthy of being tested on students. So this is chapter 4, result and discussion, but about expert revision. For the revision number 1, media color contrast. This is before and this is after. This is about at more learning video. This is before and this is after. Conclusion is students. This is before and this is after. Next, summary is students. This is before and this is after. Add more bibliography. This is before and this is after. Put the same font. This is before and this is after. So next, this is about implementation, student response. Based on the result of the analysis of student trial data above, a score of 96.82% was obtained, which is included in the very practical category. This can be concluded if the ebook can be used in learning activities. Regarding the comment and suggestion given, the ebook is very good in terms of material and design, as well as making the student learning process easier. This is evaluation after carrying out the improvement process in the previous stage. The final product was produced, a Canva-based interactive ebook with class 12 PDKS finance material. These following are the ebook specifications that have been developed. This is for the link ebook. This is for the page. It takes 34 pages for the materials is PDKS finance. This is ebook eligibility. The overall final score is 92.7, where this value is bigger than 81%. So it can be concluded and said that the ebook are very suitable as a student learning medium. This is for the ebook practical. After passing the practicalization test on 30 student of 12 class student at SMKN Negeri 14 Jakarta, the final score was 96.82%, where this value is bigger than 81%. It can be said that the ebook that has been created is very practical for use in learning activities. So this is chapter 5, and for the conclusion, the feasibility of this Canva-based interactive ebook on PDKS finance material received an overall stage average 93.7%. The details are as follow. Based on validated assessment, 92.7%, and for the practicality test, 96.82%. It can be concluded that this ebook is very good and worthy of use as a substitute for conventional textbooks. So that's all my presentation about my thesis. Thank you for your participation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.